Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. Y'all know who I am. If not, my name is Mike. Today's video, we're going to do some art, but not just any art. That is a Pablo Picasso. I think it's called The Lady in the Hat. Also, there's a French name. I don't speak French. Anyway, as you can tell, it's wood. So that's what we're building today. The Lady in the Hat by Pablo Picasso. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. I really have no plan for this. I just got an idea. I've got rough sketches, and then I'm going to trace these sketches onto scrap wood and then cut it out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more pieces. Now I'm going to start the painting process before I sand. With the edges, I'm going to paint it black. So one thing I'm not good at is picture frames. So I'm off right here, probably less than a 16th. So all I'm doing is sneaking up on it until this bottom piece is flush. Okay, I cut less than a 16th off. Now we're flushed. And I'm going to repeat this on the other two sides. And I'm going to take this longer piece here, cut a 45 on this end, and then we'll do the next. Alright, now I've got 3 sides cut. 1, 2, 3. Now I gotta do this bottom piece. I take this away. I take my bottom piece. And then I mark it here. And then I'm going to cut this one a little long. That way I can sneak up on it. And I'm sure there's an expert out there that's going to say that's not how you do it. That's how I do it. And when I learn the easy way of doing it, I'll start doing it that way. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed the build, The Lady in the Hat by Pablo Picasso. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Because I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know what I'm going to build next. And I hope you come along with me so you can watch me build it. But until then, you guys keep building.